so I just know what I'm looking for. It makes it hard to stop and eat without the trees, but if you look on your right hand side, way out there in the distance, y'all, at the top of a tree is a big old nest. Y'all see it out there?
Yeah.
So y'all remember that bald eagle we seen?
Yeah.
Good chance it's his nest or her nest. It is a bald eagle's nest. So right now they have about 3 or 4 young ones that stay in the nest also. They're solid dark brown color right now. Does anybody know how long it takes for the bald eagle to get his white feathers? Nobody? Yeah, come on a small tour and doing no homework, huh? Alright guys, so it takes 4 to 5 years